In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on About Phone at the bottom. Now choose Device Name section and type in whatever you want to. Like Sunny. When you finished, hit OK. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!